let's look at how we can calculate probabilities using a table of values. If one person is randomly selected from the population described in the table, find the probability expressed as a decimal rounded to the nearest hundredth that the person, A, has never been married, and then B is male. Well, let's look back at the chart. What we have are columns for never married, married, widowed, divorced. We have a column at the end for the total. Then we have a row for the number of males in each category, the number of females in each category, and then the totals along the bottom. If we're trying to determine the probability that the person has never been married, we're going to do it in the following manner. Probability that the person is never married. To figure that out, we take the number that have never been married, and we're going to divide that by the total number. So we just have to look back at our chart to figure out each of these. The number that have never been married can be found at the bottom of the first column. That will be 69.2. The total number can be found in the very last column over to the right, and that's going to be 235.8. And so we're going to make this division, which gives us approximately 0.29, and we can interpret that in percentages by saying 29% have never been married. Then, what would be the probability of choosing someone who would be male? To determine this, we take the number of males and we divide by the total number. Now, the total number is going to be the same as we had in the previous problem, so that's 235.8. The number of males, we're going to look in our chart and go over to the right-hand side. The total number of males is 114.5. And then using our calculators, we come up with the division, which is approximately going to give us 0.49. So the probability of choosing someone who is going to be male would be 0.49.